raining good. Hey, how y'all doing? It's Hobo George. Well, we finally got here, the rain, and it's nice and cold. I'm outside enjoying it, chilling. Today was a productive day. We did a lot of hot tamales, and we made some flour tortillas also. And right now I'm just outside walking around, and it's coming down more. Hopefully it continues like this and it gets colder, much colder. And I'll be posting a video soon about the space clearing ritual ceremony. So you can check that out if you want, and don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helped me out a lot. If you are interested in learning or you're just curious about what space clearing is, leave a comment. I'll be more than happy to respond to you as soon as I can. Yeah, that's it. Just here enjoying it. Alright, I'm going in. My feet are cold and wet. I'm barefooted, by the way. Laters. God bless. I'll keep you posted.